Finished in rare and unmistakable EV1 Lightning Yellow, this 1998 Nissan Skyline 25GT Turbo stands out as one of the most eye-catching R34 coupes on the road. Showing just 84,704 kilometers, 52,632 original miles, this authentic ER34 combines factory turbocharged performance with tasteful period-correct modifications and extensive recent servicing. Powered by Nissan's legendary RB25DET NEO turbocharged inline-six, this Skyline has been upgraded with a Blitz front-mount intercooler, HKS intake, aftermarket sway bars, adjustable front and rear upper arms, and a Uras body kit that gives the car an unmistakable late 90s street presence. OEM BNR34 GT-R wheels complete the look perfectly, bringing genuine GT-R styling to this clean and well-preserved coupe. Extensive maintenance and service work have recently been completed, including timing belt and water pump replacement, cam and crank seal replacement, thermostat, fan belt, transmission and differential fluid service, coolant exchange, spark plugs, fuel filter, battery, brake and clutch fluid service, air conditioning refill, muffler replacement, and more. The result is a Skyline that not only looks the part, but has received the attention needed to be enjoyed and driven. With original EV1 paint, low original mileage, and the perfect balance of factory RB turbo performance and tasteful upgrades, this R34 25GT Turbo represents a rare opportunity to own one of the most desirable and usable Skyline coupes from the golden era of Nissan performance.